Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Plutonium. First, you'll need to download the Plutonium launcher directly from their official website. It's crucial to have a legitimate copy of the base Call of Duty game, such as Black Ops 2 or Modern Warfare 3, already installed on your computer. Once downloaded, simply run the launcher and select the specific Call of Duty title you wish to play. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. After selecting your game, the Plutonium launcher will automatically begin downloading any necessary game files and updates. This process ensures you have the most current version for optimal performance and security. It's a good practice to verify your game files through the launcher to prevent common errors. Remember to allocate sufficient storage space on your drive, as each game can require around 20 gigabytes or more. With your game updated, you can now browse the extensive server list available through the Plutonium client. You'll find a wide variety of game modes and custom maps. For the best experience, always aim to connect to a server with a stable and low ping, ideally under 50 milliseconds. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with common in-game commands, which can enhance your server interaction and overall gameplay. If you encounter any issues, the official Plutonium forums are an excellent resource for common problems and solutions. For real-time support and to connect with other players, consider joining their active Discord server. The community is very helpful. Remember to report any bugs you find and provide constructive feedback. This helps the developers continuously improve the platform for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.